really do like a classic sandwich, and I do like to make a good use of leftovers. So today on Jay's World Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely classic sandwich, the club sandwich. And you can use leftover turkey for this, or you can, like me, use fresh chicken breast, and that's what I'm going to be using today because I don't have any turkey left over. We're going to start off in a frying pan such as this with our chicken, which we have sliced into thinnish pieces like that, and we're just going to pop those in with a little spritz of olive oil on the bottom there. Now the nice thing about doing a chicken breast like this is that because it's cut quite thin, it is going to fry relatively fast, and that's a good thing. Now of course, if you are using leftover turkey breast, it's a good idea just to slice it quite thin and fry it up for just a few seconds even, just to heat it all the way through. And once your chicken is done, we're just going to remove it from the heat and just set it aside to cool off a little bit. We still want it to be quite warm, but it doesn't have to be hot. And now the fun part of putting this together. You're going to start off with 3 slices of white bread that's been toasted, and I'm just using my white bread recipe, and I'll give a link to that at the end of this video. And if you're enjoying this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help YouTube to recommend my content to viewers such as yourself. Now on the first slice, we're going to add some mayonnaise and just spread that on. I like to be quite generous. And on to the second. And then onto the first piece here, we're going to put some nice fresh lettuce. And I'm just using an iceberg because I really do like that crispness of that, but of course you can use your favorite lettuce as well. And then we're going to put in a slice of tomato. And now onto that, we're going to add our chicken, or of course our leftover turkey, and just 2 generous pieces like that. And we're going to take our second piece of toast here and just flip it on top like that. And now add a little mayo on top of that as well. And now onto that, I'm going to add some more lettuce and another slice of nice fresh tomato. Now of course, my next favorite ingredient is of course bacon. Now I made this bacon before I started this recipe, and I like to actually keep bacon on hand because it really doesn't matter if it gets a little bit cooler. So bacon is one of my favorites, and you're going to add in, I'm going to add in here some generous slices of bacon. We're going to take our final piece of toast like this, and we're just going to cut it at a diagonal. And then quickly underneath, whichever side you prefer on top, we're going to spread a little mayo on there as well. And now we're going to place those on top of our sandwich like this. And using a longer skewer or a toothpick like that, we're just going to skewer all the way through the center there, just to hold that all together. Now of course, you can cut this into 4s if you really prefer. I just like to do it this way. And now we're going to take our knife and very carefully cut through the center on our already creased line that we made, just like that. Now I really am excited to give this a try. I really do love a good sandwich, and this has got to be one of my favorites to put together. Now, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you know when I post my next video. But let's give this a taste. It's quite a handful. Firstly, doing this on homemade white bread just takes it to a different level from what you'll get at any restaurant. But the freshness of the lettuce and the tomato are exceptional. I really do love the chicken in there, and even with leftover turkey, this is just such an amazing sandwich. Have you had a club sandwich before, and do you make your own? And if you tried this recipe, I would love to hear from you in the comment section below how it turned out for you, what you do different, or how you like your club sandwiches. Now, a couple of exciting things going on. Please don't forget to check out the community tab of the channel. There's a lot going on over there. If you'd like to see some more of my content, you can follow me on all of my social media, and those links are down below in the comments section as well. Now, if you'd like to try my white bread recipe that I used for this recipe, you can find that link right here. And if you'd like to try some of my unusual recipes, you can find that playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating.